Hello students, it's Mr. Woodward here. I am currently on my Google Classroom for period 3 AP US History, showing you how to use this instructions for accessing the online textbook. So if you go to the course Cengage instructions here where it says SSO registration, you can click on that and it will open the instructions on how to walk you through to get there. So you'll see that it's going to ask you to go to log in on Cengage.com, and this screen is going to pop up here where it's going to ask you for a sign-in. You don't have to sign in yet, so you're going to go to this box here that says New Student User. Okay. At that point you're going to enter in a code, and I'll show you in a second how to get that code. And then it's going to walk you through a few questions, pretty basic stuff, and you hit agree and it'll set you up. With the fourth and final stage, after the agree, it'll ask you what you want to do, and then you can, from there, you should be able to click open and have access to American Pageant 16 edition online. So let's follow this. So we're going to go to Cengage.com here, and we're going to go to New Student User. And it's going to ask us to enter in our register your product key here. So we're not a returning student, so we're going to enter in our key. Now I'm going to toggle back to the Google Classroom while I have this web page open. You see it's still open in my Google Chrome. And there's another document here that says course key. And this is just a Word document that has just the key in it. So you're going to highlight this MTP NBFD PGR75 and see if we can't copy it here. So when you open this, you're going to get this black kind of version of the document. You're going to have to go up here and open this in Google Docs to give you access to copy and paste this. So it gives you your own version of this document. So you want to highlight the code, copy it. Obviously you can just type this in if you can memorize codes, but this is the easy way. Then we're going to work back to our registration process here. Let me get back to where we need to be. Okay. So then we're going to copy, or we're going to right click and paste our code in there and go ahead and register. From here, once you've entered in your code, it's going to take you to this American Pageant page. It's going to ask you to enter in an email address, and it's going to walk you through creating a password. Now what I'd like you to do is use your school Google account email address and the same password you use to log in to your school computer. That way you don't forget your password for this particular book. Okay, so walk through, follow the steps, and from there, and you will have access to a logon. And from home or any other logon internet, you can go just type in Cengage Brain, and that'll take you to your login page. Or you can use the document from, like we did in the beginning, from your Google Classroom. Hope that helps you get signed up. If you have any problems, see me in class.